So I'm currently here with Miss Andrea.
Yes.
She's from the Netherlands. So she just came here last night
Exactly.
in Haflong, and then while she was visiting this place, she came across this program, the World Heritage Week. So we are going to ask her a few words about how she felt about this place and how she felt about this program. So, Miss, how do you think about this?
Well, like I said, we arrived yesterday late in the evening. We just kind of stumbled upon this place because we were walking past and going to go to the lake. But it's really nice actually because it's like World Heritage Week. And we kind of saw the dances, like the traditional dances, which was really, really nice. I feel really good. Assam is a really nice state. People are very friendly. So I'm really looking forward to seeing more of Assam and also more of Haflong as well. Because it's my first time here. So I think there are many, many things to explore. So I feel really, really good.
Thank you, thank you. So I have not introduced myself yet.
Okay.
My name is Kenneth, and
Nice to meet you.
I'm from here. And see, Haflong is a very beautiful place. So it is all about a mixture of different tribes.
Okay.
So we are here all together. This doesn't belong to any one particular tribe. So this is culturally rich place,
Okay.
Haflong. So we have a lot of tourist attraction as well as, and like we used to have a kind of cultural programs and all. In Mar we have Sikpui.
Okay.
So the Dimasas have what was that? Busudima and the cookies.
Okay.
The cookies have Savangkut. And many more are there. So I
Okay.
cannot recall all those things.
Exactly.
But see here, this Haflong Lake, it is also a very beautiful place. So if you want, you can take a ride there. There is a boat.
Like a boat? Oh, that's very
you
nice.
can take a look around this place. So this is a very big lake.
Yeah,
So-
I could see it on the map as well. It's quite stretched, no? Like quite long.
Yeah, it's quite long.
Yes.
So this is not man-made.
Okay.
This is actually natural.
Oh, that's very nice. Oh, it looks a bit man-made. Oh, that's nice to know.
This is natural.
very
But
nice.
Our CM, that is Debalol Gorosa, has taken some initiative to decorate the boundaries of this lake. So now it is very beautiful now.
Very nice. I'm
This is
looking
our
forward to
CM.
exploring it. Yeah.
This is our CM.
Oh, yeah.
So thank you. Nice to meet
Thank you.
you.
Thank you too.
We lived in a small village, but despite it is small village, but it is the biggest village here in Assam.
Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah.
So that is called Mulhoi.
Okay. Mulhoi.
Actually,
okay.
why it is called Mulhoi is that there is a big lychee trees that are 100 years old already. So that is why it is called Mulhoi, because of the lychee. We used to call lychee fruit as Mulhoi.
Ah,
That is why it is
interesting.
named from that.
From the literature
Molhoi
fruit. Oh,
Yeah,
very
is
nice.
one of the greatest Christian village in this district.
Very nice.
So if you have time, do visit Mulhoi. Okay.
Perfect. I will definitely do that. Thank you for the recommendation. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Thank
meet
you,
you
thank
too.
you.
Thank you.